Hello everyone, welcome back to Kota Education Career Point. Today we are going to discuss about previous year sanitary inspector question paper. So let's begin with question number 1. Which of the following people are least likely to need a vitamin mineral supplement? Option 1 is pregnant or breastfeeding woman, option 2 vegans, option 3 is men athlete, option 4 is dieters on restricted energy intake. So the correct answer is male athlete. Question number 2 is which of the following should a woman avoid while she is pregnant? Option 1 is smoking cigarettes. Option 2 inadequate perinatal medical care. Option 3 is being under 20 years. Option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 3 is who are the beneficiaries of National Prophylaxis Program for prevention of blindness due to vitamin A deficiency? Option 1 is pregnant women, pregnant mothers. Option 2 old age population. Option 3 is all children from 6 months to 6 years. Option 4 is adolescent girls. So the correct answer is all the children from 6 months to 6 years. Question number 4 is disease prevented by immunization is known as. Option 1 is vaccine prevented disease. Option 2 prevention of non-communicable disease. Option 3 prevention nutrient deficiency. Option 4 all of the above. So the correct answer is vaccine prevented disease. Question number 5 is following are the main cause of PEM amongst the children. Option 1 is delayed complementary feeding. Option 2 infection and infestation. Option 3 is primarily energy deficiency. Option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 6 is which vaccine is given to according to national immunization schedule after 6 weeks of birth. Option 1 is DPT. Option 2 OPV. Option 3 is BCG if given at birth. BCG. Option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 7 is the energy requirements of lactating mother is based on energy needed to option 1 maintain weight and body composition, option 2 a level of physical activity, option 3 is breastfeeding production, option 4 all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 8 is what are the common disease caused by viruses? Option 1 is hypertension, option 2 diabetes, option 3 obesity, option 4 hepatitis. So the correct answer is hepatitis. Question number 9 is AIDS is a contagious disease. Option 1 true, option 2 false, option 3 maybe, option 4 none of the above. So the correct answer is true. Question number 10 is personal protective equipment important for healthcare worker to be worn while in tuberculosis ward include. Option 1 is N95 respirator, option 2 surgical mask, option 3 all of the above, option 4 kitchen apron. So the correct answer is all both of the above. Question number 11 is a pharmacological dose of a vitamin is defined as intake of more than option 1 2 times of RDA, option 2 5 times of RDA, option 3 10 types of RDA, option 4 is 100 times of RDA. So the correct answer is 10 times of RDA. Question number 12 is as per ICDS scheme the calorie provided through nutritional supplements scheme to children till 6 years of age. Option 1 is 300 kcal, option 2 700 kcal, option 3 100 kcal, option 4 250 kcal. So the correct answer is 300 kcal. Question number 13 is deficiency symptoms such as respiratory infection, gastrointestinal disturbance and blindness are related to role of vitamin A in. Option 1 is promoting growth, option 2 maintaining health issue, option 3 acting as antioxidants, option 4 blood clotting. So the correct answer is maintaining health tissues. Question number 14 is an example of complete protein is option 1 is egg protein, option 2 wheat protein, option 3 maize protein, option 4 all of the above. So the correct answer is egg protein. Question number 15 is in acute diarrhea. Option 1 is there is a bacterial and parasite infection through contamination food and water. Option 2 is there is PAM and deficiency of B complex. Option 3 is celiac disease, option 4 lactose intolerance. So the correct answer is there is a bacteria and parasite infection through contaminated food and water. Question number 16 is the recommended dietary allowance for iron for a pregnant woman as per ICMR 2010 is option 1 is 35 mg, option 2 25 mg, option 3 45 mg, option 4 is 200 mg, 20 mg. So the correct answer is 35 mg. Question number 17 is which statement stands correct with regard to following a vegetarian diet and breastfeeding? Option 1 is a vegetarian diet that contains dietary or eggs is usually complete. Option 2, vitamin B12 supplement may be needed. Option 3, include foods that rich in protein, iron and calcium. Option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 18 is complete the following ICMR. Option 1 is Indian Child Monitoring Rate. Option 2, Indian Council of Medical Research. Option 3, International Child Mortality Rate. Option 4 is none of the above. So the correct answer is Indian Council of Medical Research. Question number 19 is which of the following is a communicable disease? Option 1, rickets. Option 2, scurvy. Option 3, marasmus. And option 4 is cholera. So the correct answer is cholera. Question number 20 is B complex vitamin and ascorbic acid can be broadly classified as option 1, insoluble vitamins, option 2, fat soluble vitamins, option 3, water soluble vitamins, option 4, none of the above. So the correct answer is water soluble vitamins. Question number 21 is the most common manifestation of carbohydrate malabsorption is option 1, malaria, option 2, typhoid, option 3 is lactose intolerance, option 4, fever. So the correct answer is lactose intolerance. Question number 22 is vitamin K deficiency is possible result of option 1 is kidney disease, option 2 antibiotic therapy, option 3 is presence of phytates, option 4 is insufficient intake of citrus fruits. So the correct answer is antibiotic therapy. Question number 23 is hormones responsible for positive pregnancy test. Option 1 estrogen, option 2 progesterone, option 3 is follicle stimulating hormone and option 4 is human chloronic gonadotrophin. So the correct answer is human chloronic gonadotrophic. Question number 24 is dietary factor which increase iron absorption are option 1 is ascorbic acid, option 2 animal proteins, option 3 optimum gastric acidity, option 4 all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 25 is gestational weight gain influenced by option 1 is food intake, option 2 level of exercise and energy balance, option 3 is medical condition, option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 26 is what are the type of malnutrition? Option 1 is overnutrition, option 2 undernutrition, option 3 both of the above, option 4 none of the above. So the correct answer is both of the above. Question number 27 is inclusion of at least 15 gram of GLV improves intake of option 1 is vitamin A, option 2 iron, option 3 calcium, option 4 all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 28 are what are the important aspects of personal hygiene? Option 1 washing hand before eating food, option 2 bathing daily, option 3 weaning clean and washed clothes, option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 29 is immunization is one of the important strategies to combat option 1 malnutrition, option 2 children and protected from disease, option 3 both of the above, option 4 none of the above. The correct answer is both of the above. Question number 30 is certain environmental condition can harm the healthy development of a baby during pregnancy have most detrimental effect during dash of pregnancy. Option 1 is fetal stage, option 2 is first 3 week following conception, option 3 embryonic stage, option 4 none of the above. So the correct answer is embryonic stage. Question number 31 is one of the following most important advantage of immunization to children is option 1 is death from dreaded disease, option 2 is prevent diabetes, option 3 prevent common cold, option 4 none of the above. So the correct answer is death from the dreaded disease. Question number 32 is after getting a vaccination, the body never lets the same virus into it. Option 2, body always become ill for a short time. Option 3, the body gets used to weaker from virus. Option 4, none of the above. So the correct answer is the body gets used to weaker from a virus. Question number 33 is which of these are single vaccine except option 1 hepatitis B, option 2 chickenpox, option 3 influenza, option 4 MMR. So the correct answer is MMR. Question number 34 is which of the following is National Deficiency Control Program? Option 1 is National Anemia Control Program, option 2 is Special Nutrition Program, option 3 National Food for Work Program, option 4 is Composite Nutrition Program. So the correct answer is National Anemia Control Program. Question number 35 is an important nutritional problem affecting all segments of the population in general and children, women and pregnant women are particular is option 1 anemia, option 2 goiter, option 3 diabetes and option 4 is hyperlipidemia. So the correct answer is anemia. Question number 36 is as per ICMR 2010, what are the dietary recommendation for beta carotene for the expectant mother? Option 1 is 64,000 micrograms, option 2 is 8,000 micrograms, option 3 is 5,200 micrograms, and option 4 is 4,800 micrograms. So the correct answer is 6,400 micrograms. Question number 37 is third trimester of main time of storage of option 1 is iron, fat and calcium, option 2 iron, calcium and folate, option 3 vitamin D, vitamin K and fat, option D is fat, calcium and folate. So the correct answer is iron, fat and calcium. Question number 38 is what are the measures taken by Government of India policy for prevention of vitamin A deficiency? Option 1 is promoting consumption of vitamin A rich food. Option 2 advertising supplemental dose of vitamin A. Option 3 is treatment of vitamin A deficient children. Option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 39 is in measles vaccine immunity develops after. Option 1 is 1 to 12 days after vaccination. Option 2 is after 1 month of vaccination. Option 3 after 15 days of vaccination. Option 4 is none of the above. So the correct answer is 11 to 12 days after vaccination. Question number 40 is what are the communicable diseases? Option 1 do not spread from an infected person to another. Option 2 pathogens are not involved. Option 3 this disease may be caused due to dietary deficiency, hormone imbalance, genetic problem. Option 4 all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 41 is fluorosis manifest mainly as. Option 1 is dental fluorosis, option 2 skeletal fluorosis, option 3 both of the above, and option 4 is cardiac fluorosis. So the correct answer is both of the above. Question number 42 is fatty acid essential for prevention of coronary heart disease. Option 1 is linoleic acid and linoleic acid. Option 2 is triglycerides. Option 3 is trans fatty acid, and option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is linoleic and linoleic acid. Question number 43 is activities undertaken at the government or local organization level to maintain health of the people are known as. Option 1 community health, option 2 occupational health, option 3 institutional health, option 4 is none of the above. So the correct answer is community health. Question number 44 is National Rural Health Mission was started in. Option 1 is May 2004, option 2 June 2006, option 3 April 2005, and fourth is January 2007. So the correct answer is April 2005. Question number 45 is heating or drying of fresh fruits or vegetables usually led to destruction of most or all of the vitamins originally present. Option 1 vitamin A, option 2 vitamin C, option 3 vitamin D, option 4 vitamin E. So the correct answer is vitamin C. Question number 46 is which is a limiting amino acid in pearls? Option 1 is methionine, option 2 lysine, option 3 tryptophan, option 4 is phenylalanine. So the correct answer is methionine. Question number 47 is during the first 6 months of lactation of ICMR has recommended additional intake of. Option 1 600 kcal, option 2 700 kcal, option 3 650 kcal, 4 is 800 kcal. Correct answer is 600 kcal. Question number 48 is a natural biological process involving cellular and psychological deterioration increases vulnerability to disease and decrease ability to adapt is known as. Option 1 aging, option 2 growing, option 3 is multiplying, option 4 is maturing. So the correct answer is aging. Question number 49 is adults required energy and protein for. Option 1 maintenance and continuation of optimal metabolic and physical activities, option 2 maintenance of biological function and repair of tissue, option 3 both of the above, and option 4 is growth strip. So the correct answer is both of the above. Question number 50 is one approach to preventing vitamin A deficiency in children is educating to mother to feed their children daily with. Option 1 is wheat, option 2 rice, option 3 green leafy vegetables and yellow and fresh fruits, option 4 mice. So the correct answer is green leafy vegetables and yellow and fresh fruits. Question number 51 is they are also used for the formation of body structure and skeleton. Option 1 minerals, option 2 vitamins, option 3 fats, and option 4 carbohydrates. So the correct answer is minerals. Question number 52 is cesarean section is performed when. Option 1 is labor is extremely difficult. Option 2 mother blood pressure is falls rapidly. Option 3 fetus is too large for the mother pelvic opening. Option 4 all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 53 is the science of food and its components, their actions, interactions, and balance within the body, its utilization for health and well-being called option 1 nutrition, option 2 absorption, option 3 digestion, option 4 is utilization. So the correct answer is nutrition. Question number 54 is which one of the following is waterborne disease? Option 1 tuberculosis, option 2 malaria, option 3 cholera, option 4 is chickenpox. So the correct answer is cholera. Question number 55 is what all the true about milk except option 1 it is low in iron but rich in calcium, option 2 the main protein is casein and lactoalbumin, option 3 is the main carbohydrate is lactose, option 4 is it is rich in vitamin C. So the correct answer is it is rich in vitamin C. So that's it for today guys. I hope you like this session. If you like this session, please like, share, subscribe this channel.